Students, how are you? Today your lesson is GM, geometric means, and our question is 12. If G1 and G2 are the two GMs between two numbers and A is the AM of these two numbers, then we have to show that twice A equal G1 square by G2 plus G2 square by G1. Here, what is the condition? G1 and G2 are two GMs between two numbers. Let the numbers be A and B. Let the numbers be A and B. Now what is given? G1 and G2 are the two GMs between A and B. Okay? These are the GMs. GM means geometric means between A and B. Therefore, we already know that B divided by second term divided by first term is equal to third term divided by second term. Therefore, you here write G1, G2 are the two GMs between A and B. Therefore, what you have to write? G1 by B equal is equal to G2 by G1 equal to these are A, G1, G2, B. G1 by A, G1 by A, G2 by G1 is equal to B by G2. B by G2. What from this? What? You have get G1 square. G1 square is equal to this into this. Implies G1 square is equal to A, G2 implies G3 square is equal to G1B. G2 square is equal to G1B. Okay? Then we have to show that twice A equal to G1 square by G2 plus G2 square by G1. Here take right hand side. RHS equal to G1 square by G2. Please students, you say. Understand? You also say. Plus G2 square by G1. What is the left hand side? Left hand side is equal to twice A. What is given here? What is A? A is the A of these two means we have to write also. We have to write. Also. A is the arithmetic mean. A of A and B. Therefore, A equal to twice A equal to A plus B. Now write down RHS. G1 square by G2 plus G2 square by G1. This is RHS. Now substitute the values. G1 square is equal to what? A G2. A G2 by G2 plus g2 square what? g2 square equal to g1b b by g1. Now what? See, this cancel, equal to a. What cancel? g1 cancel, plus b, and a plus b is equal to what? Twice a. Equal to L is yes. This is we have to solve. Do you understand clearly? Then the next question. What is the next question? If p plus q term and p minus q terms are in GP, are respectively m and n, then we have to find its p term. Understand? What is the p plus q term? Let first term is equal to a and cr is equal to r. Question number 30. Yes. Then the problems will be very easy. Let first term is equal to a and cr is equal to r. What is the formula to find the term? A into r to the power n minus 1. It is the main formula. What you have to find? You have to find p plus q term. Now p plus q term equal to a into r to the power n means what? P plus q. P plus q minus 1. It is the p plus q term. Okay. And this is equal to what is given? And this term is equal to m. And this term is equal to m. And next, what is the p minus q term? P minus q term. A into r to the power p minus q minus 1, and it is given what? n, and it is equal to n. Then we have to find the p term. From this we must have p term. That means p term is what? A into r to the power p minus 1. We need to find this term. Okay? Understand this? Now you multiply these two terms. Now mn is equal to this into this. A into r to the power p plus q minus 1 into a into r to the power p minus q minus 1. Understand this? See this one, a into a. It means a to the power 1 plus 1, that is a square. Understand this? And add this base same, r to the power p plus q minus 1 plus p minus q minus 1 square a square r to the power p plus q minus 1 plus p minus q minus 1 plus q minus q cancel. P plus p twice p minus 1 equal to minus 2 equal to a square r to the power twice p minus 2. Understand this? Now see, a square r to the power p minus 1 into t. So we can write this r to the power m into n. Okay. So a to r to the power p minus 1 whole square. Okay. But this is what term? a into r to the power p minus 1 is equal to this pth term. Implies root over mn equal a into r to the power p minus 1. This is the required term. P term. This pth term. So our required pth term is root over mn. Okay? Understand this? Then we have to find out the question number 14. The product of 8 geometric means between 8 and 1 by 64 is P. Again, G is the GM between 8 and 164. Then to show that P is equal to G to the power 8. See question number 14. Here A is equal to 8 and Pn, that means last term is equal to 1 by 164. How many GMs between these two terms? 8 GMs. 8 GMs. So it is the 10th term. Okay? Since how many GMs between these two? 8. So this is 1 plus 8 equal to 9. So it is 10th term. Okay? Understand? It is the 10th term. Let CR equal to R. Now C10 is equal to A into R to the power 9. 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. Is equal to 1 by 64. Implies, what is this? You put the value of A is equal to A. R to the power 9 is equal to 1 by 64. 64 means you write this as base 2. 2 to the power what? 6. 64 equal to 2 to the power 6. You do here 64. 2, 3, 2, 2, 16, 2, 8, 2, 4, 2, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it is 2 to the power 6. Now we have to find the value of R. 8 is here multiplied. Here it is multiplied. So R to the power 9 is equal to 1 by 6 into 8 means what? Okay. So R to the power 9 is equal to 1 by 2 to the power 9 plus R to the power 9 is equal to 1 by 2 to the power 9. So R is equal to 9. Since powers are equal, you know it. You already knew this. Since this is equal to this, so R is equal to 1 by 2. So you have seen. So R is equal to what? 1 by 2. Thank you. Now what is given again? G is the GM between these two. Again G is equal to G is equal to 8 into 164 equal to 1 by 8. It is given. G square is equal to students, it is a geometrical mean. So G square is equal to A, B, C, R in GP. Then B square is equal to SC. So G square is equal to this into this. Okay. And what is given? The product of eight GMs. Product of eight GMs between this and this is equal to P. Now write their products. Product of AGMs. What are they? A R into A R square, A R cube, A R to the power 4, A R to the power 5, A R to the power 6, A R to the power 7, and A R to the power 8 into A R to the power 8. What is their product? Their product is equal to P. Is equal A. 1 plus 1 plus 1. How many times? 8 times. So 1, don't write. Directly write 8. And what? R to the power 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 is equal to P. Plus 2 to the power 8 is equal to R to the power how many? Up to 8. So their sum is equal to 8 into 8 plus 1 by 2 equal to P. So 2 4 is 8, 4 9 is 36. 8 to the power 8 to R to the power 36 equal to P. We already know the value of 8. Okay? We already know the value of A. So here put the value of A. What is the value of A? A is equal to 8. Implies 8 to the power 8 into R to the power. What is the value of R? Value of R is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 whole to the power 36 equal to P. Okay. Implies it is 2 cube. 2 cube whole to the power 8 into 2 to the power minus 36 is equal to P. Understand this? Since it is 1 by 2, so it is negative. Do you understand? Implies 2 to the power 8 3 are 24. 24 bases are same minus 36 equal to P. Plus 2 to the power minus 6 minus 4 2 3 minus 2 1 equal to P. What we have to prove? G to the power 8. What to prove? P is equal to G square. Minus 3 into 4. Here see G square is equal to what? 2 to the power minus 3. 2 to the power minus 3 is equal to what? G square. G square is equal to what? 4 equal to P. Plus G to the power 8 is equal to P. Understand this? Do you understand clearly? So it is finished. Question number 15. that the product of m geometric means between a and b is mth root of ab. Let CR of the GP is R. Q1 is equal to A. Therefore, how many GMs between them? M GMs. M GMs. So last term must be what? M plus 2. Understand? So last term must be m plus 2 term. Therefore last term b is equal to a into r to the power m plus 2 minus 1. Since there are m geometry means between a and b, so b will be the m plus 2 term. Understand? So b is equal to a into this. Okay. Guys, b is equal to a into r to the power. In the question, what is not? R is not. We have to represent this only in AB. So you must find the value of R. Okay. Implies r to the power m minus 1 is equal to b by. In the last part, we have to substitute this. Okay. Now mark this as 1. Product of MGMs equal to, it is start from, since the first term is A, so it is start from AR into AR square into AR to the power 3 up to, their product up to how many terms? A r to the power m, up to m terms. Okay? Equal to 1 plus 1 plus 1 a to the power how many times? Up to m times. So it is a to the power m. And it is r into r to the power 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus up to m times. Okay. So a to the power m, r to the power m into m plus 1 by 2 times. Understand this? Do you understand? A to the power m into r to the power how we write this m plus 1 into m by 2. We already find the value of r to the power m plus 1. Okay? So we substitute this in the place of r. Okay? A to the power r is equal to what? B by a. B by a. We substitute this. And what to write power? M by 2. Okay? Plus a to the power m into, it is what? A to the power m by 2. Since it is denominator, so it is minus m by 2 into b to the power m by 2. To the power m minus m by 2 into b to the power 1 minus 2 is equal to 1 by 2. So this is a to the power m by 2 and it is b to the power m by 2. So we can write this ab to the power m by 2. Students, this is. Understand this? If you like my classes, please subscribe. Bye bye.